In this video, we will learn how to fix AWS IAM Identity Center provisioning error while creating a user. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin dashboard, go to Applications, then Applications. For the AWS IAM Identity Center application, go to the Provisioning tab, then Integration, and click Edit. Log into the AWS IAM Identity Center admin account, and under Settings, copy the SIEM endpoint. Go to the Okta admin dashboard, and paste the SIEM in the base URL section. Now go back to the AWS IAM Identity Center and copy the access token and paste it in the API token section on the Okta admin console and click Test API Credentials. This will show you AWS IAM Identity Center was verified successfully, then click Save. Go to Dashboard, then Tasks, and type in the AWS account and click Filter. Select the error and application. Click the box and retry selected. Now you will see there is no longer an error. Go back to Applications, then Applications, and search for the AWS IAM application. Click Edit next to the user and verify the external ID. Go back to the AWS IAM Identity Center. Under Users, refresh to verify the user status is enabled. And that is how to fix AWS IAM Identity Center provisioning error while creating a user. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.